Our question says that the capacity of a water tank is 1,800 liters. Now, the capacity of that water tank describes the volume of that water tank. So its volume is 1,800 liters. If the tank is a cuboid with a base, it has a base of 600 centimeters by 150 centimeters. That is the width times the breadth will be 600 centimeters by 150 centimeters. Now we have to find the height of this tank. The height of this tank. Now don't make this mistake students would make and jump into start calculating directly. Observe that the volume is given in liters while the other dimensions are given in centimeter. So the first thing you should do is convert from liters to centimeter. Now I'll move my 1,800. Now that tells me that 1 liter is the same thing as 1,000 cubic centimeters. So that my 1,800 liters will be the same thing as 1,800 times 1,000 cubic centimeter, which is the same thing as 1.8 million cubic centimeter. Now, given that I now have the volume, I know that my volume is the same thing as width times breadth times height. So that my volume, my 1,800 liters, which is same as 1.8 million cubic centimeter, will be the same thing as 600 times 150 times height h. Now, my height h obviously will come from 1,800 or 1.8 million cubic centimeter divided by 600 times 150. 600 here is 1. 600 here obviously is 3,000. 150 here would be 2 here and 0. That's equals to 20. So the height is the same thing as 20 centimeter. With this, I hope you understand I actually do two very important things. Number one, I converted from liters to centimeter cube. And number two, I treated the height. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.